This was one of the most fearsome tigers. The way it hunted this time would leave anyone stunned. Its stealth skills were almost unbelievable. The moment it spotted a wild boar, the tiger instantly switched into hunting mode. It crept closer, step by step, never giving the prey a chance to notice. Tigers are natural-born hunters. Every move of its ambush was flawless. As it drew nearer, the tiger lowered its body. Then it began to pick up speed. The greedy boar still had no idea. While the boar was strong, it was no match for the tiger. Compared to the tiger, the boar seemed as fragile as an ant. In the next instant, the tiger exploded from cover and leapt onto the boar. It knocked it to the ground in one strike. Then its jaws locked onto the boar's neck. The tiger's bite force was unmatched. Once it clamped down, no prey could escape.